I know, back with just one short. So I'm going to show you guys my name, and if you guys want me to add as a friend, you can join. You can, yeah. So my profile looks like a type of copper knight, and yeah, I'm going to show you my name, and then you can join me and yeah, my videos, or I can shoot videos with you, or yeah, I'm not supposed to. So here's how my thing looks. So here's it, and here's my name. So get quickly pause the short or video, then okay. Okay, now you guys can see my name, and there.